Hello, everybody. Today, I will unpack a PowerA wireless plug for you. Hole for authorized handle. The model is the future. Cute packaging, let me show you the accessories inside. First, a manual. A sticker. Then a handle bag. There is also a base. The base is magnetically attractive. Here is a 2.4G receiver. Can connect more than 4 groups of computers and PCs. Then this storage. The quality of the bag is also very good. It has a Fusion logo on it. And here's a bubble logo. The overall workmanship is also good. There is one in this handle bag. 3 meters of braided thread. It's a top cable. Then there is a handle style. These are all the accessories in the package. The appearance of this handle is generally for everyone to see. Next, let me introduce these presses of his. The key is pressed with conductive glue outside ABS first. In terms of feel, this consistency is very good. The cross button is also conductive glue. These little function buttons conduct electricity as well. Key press. If you answer the key, it is a touch switch. The effect of pressing is also reversed. Feedback is also very good. This trigger button. It's a Hall's linear trigger. It comes with this trigger lock that has a 3-section. You can do whatever you like. Then choose a different gear. Then there are still 4 spare parts on the back. The feel of these 4 spare parts is a touch switch. Then this spare part at the bottom. It's also not easy to touch by mistake. The grip has a non-slip texture. It is a PowerA logo. At the top of the handle, there is an interface of Type-C. Power supply and wired transmission are possible. Next to it is a pairing button. Can be carried out with a 2.4T demonstrator. If you pair the joystick, you use a picture joystick. Then this place has a small function. That's when this joystick can rotate. Adjust the height of this keycap. In this way, it can be adapted to different game categories. Type. Similarly, there is an anti-wear ring on this place of the rocker. This location. It's a wave button that adjusts the volume. But it can't work on the PC side. At the bottom is a 3.5mm earphone jack. The handle size is similar to the original. Compare the handle, you can take a look. This handle also has a very big feature. It is its shell that can change color. You can see it lights up. Yes, different patterns can be displayed. And then you turn this off. And you see the crust. There are no pattern marks on it. The weight of the handle is about 270 grams. 2.4G of this handle. It is used in both mode and limited mode. Xbox Mobile's controller protocol. So it supports trigger vibration. The default formation of this trigger is 0 to 255. You can switch this gear. Then he will become around 0 to 160. And everyone matches the button on the back. To use, you can also cut this flying linear trigger. The 4 buttons at the back. You can do key maps. I usually map the left and right rockers down. Then this joystick defaults to. It's a dead zone model. The performance of the joystick is also excellent. The sensitivity is relatively high. The operation is more accurate. Stable, faster and more stable. I feel the damping is relatively moderate. The edge of the joystick forms a heel. The original super explosive handle is also a square circle. The error rate is about 10%. The handle is on 2.4 G. The rate of return in the limited model is around 250. Handle. An asymmetric rotor motor is used at the grip. This handle also has a trigger vibration motor. When starting and braking in the middle of the horizon. This feeling. The vibration effect can also be felt by everyone. Also under different road surfaces. The bumping sensation of this vehicle. You can also use this grip. The motor at. Feel clearly. This vibration adjustment of the overall handle. Is very restored Xbox. Original handle. In an action game like PowerA Spirit. The vibration performance of this handle. Also very good. The 3.5mm earphone jack of the handle. In 2.4G and limited mode. It can also be used. You can see there's a microphone. There's also a speaker. This handle has a supporting management software. You'd better use the handle to operate the mouse. Some options are not available. Include. You can do this button test inside. The adjustment formed by this trigger. And this joystick dead adjustment. Adjustment of the intensity of trigger vibration and grip vibration. Finally, everyone can also adjust. Check the lighting effect of this shell. There are several modes built in. You can do whatever you like. Then make a selection. This handle is not equipped with Bluetooth. And the official did not say this handle will adapt to mobile end. So here's a simple test for you. Android performance. First of all, in most of this model, the layout of his buttons is disordered. If everyone is just streaming, can take over this drive with Moonlight. In this way, it can be used normally. Including its vibration is normal. If your phone is a Camel, you can also do it yourself. Write a layout file for the handle buttons. After putting it in like this, you can find it in the game or app. Use this handle. However, it can only be used in limited mode. On the OS side, because this handle is not authorized by Apple, so it can't be used. The above is the entire content of this video. If you have a Fusi, if you are interested in the unlimited authorization handle, welcome to leave a message in the comment area. See you next time. Bye.